Hello everyone, welcome to Math Tactics. I am Devansh Sharma and today we are going to learn a trick for multiplication which would speed up a calculation. This trick is for multiplication of numbers with 12. It can work for any number that is being multiplied by 12. Let us have a look at this example to understand how we can apply this tactic. In this example, 572 is being multiplied by 12. Our first step would be to double the digit in the units place and write it down. Here, the digit in the units place is 2. 2 into 2 gives us 4. Next, we would multiply the next digit by 2 and add it to the previous one. Here, the next digit is 7. So we would multiply 7 by 2 and add 2. So 7 into 2 plus 2. 7 into 2 is 14 and 14 plus 2 is 16. So as it is a two-digit number, we would write down 6 and 1 would go as the carryover. We would follow the same process for 5 and 7. 5 into 2 plus 7. So 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. And if we add the carryover, 17 plus 1 is 18. Again, we write 8 down and 1 as the carryover. Finally, as 5 is the initial digit, we write it down as it is, adding any carryovers if any. So 5 plus the carryover 1 gives us 6. So our final answer would be 6864. Hence, 572 into 12 is 6864. Let us move on to the next example. 8241 into 12. We would follow the same steps here as well. Our first step was to double the digit in the units place. Here 1 into 2 gives us 2. Next, we would multiply 4 by 2 and add 1 to it. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next, 2 into 2 plus 4. This gives us 8. Similarly, 8 into 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. So we would write 8 down and 1 as the carryover. Finally, 8 is the initial digit, so we would write it down as it is. 8 plus 1, the carryover, is 9. So our final answer would be 9, 8, 8, 9, 2. So 8241 into 12 is 98892. Let us move on to our next example. Our next example is 45298 multiplied by 12. We would follow the same steps here as well. Our first step was to multiply the digit in the units place by 2. 8 into 2 gives us 16. So 6 at the units digit and 1 as the carryover. Next, 9 into 2 plus 8. 9 into 2 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 1, the carryover, gives us 27. So 7 down and 2 as the carryover. Next, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 2, the carryover, gives us 15. So 5 would go down and 1 would go as the carryover. Next, 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. And 1 would go as the carryover. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. And 13 plus 1 is 14. So 4 would go down and 1 would go as the carryover. Finally, as 4 is the initial number, we would write it down as it is, adding any carryovers. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So our final answer would be 543576. So 45298 into 12 is 543576. For our final example, let us try to write the final answer directly. Our first step was to multiply the digit in the units place by 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Next, 6 into 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So 3 down, and 1 as the carryover. 7 into 2 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. So 20 plus 1 is 21. And 2 is the carryover. 4 into 2 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 2, the carryover, is 17. And 1 as the carryover. Finally, 4 plus 1, 5, the carryover. So 4761 into 12 is 57132. Using this trick to solve multiplication with 12 makes it a lot easier. Certain tricks can also be used to multiply with other numbers. You can check out the multiplication for 11 over here. Now that you know this trick, use it to solve this question and post your answers in the comment section. I hope you like this trick. Please subscribe to stay tuned for upcoming videos and interesting mathematical tricks. Till then, goodbye and thank you.